Okay, so this is the wig from Hairvivi, and I just really love the highlights. I absolutely love the blonde on this wig, and the hair quality feels amazing. Like, it feels really soft. So although the hair has been bleached, it doesn't feel dry or anything like that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig. The wig comes with a very natural pre-plucked hairline. The wig comes with an adjustable elastic band. It comes with adjustable straps. It comes with some combs on the inside of the wig as well. So you literally have everything you need to make this wig 100% glueless. So the wig also comes with a fake scalp on the inside of the wig. As you guys can see, the parting looks so good. It looks very clean, looks very natural. Like, it literally looks like this wig is growing out of my scalp. It literally looks like the wig is growing out of my scalp, you guys. And this is a 13x6 lace front wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install and restyle the wig. This is just meant to be a quick and easy summer glam. So I'm just gonna install the wig, style the wig, and then show you guys some outfit options as well that would go with this hairstyle and this wig.
Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 looks. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, hate me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard.
Okay, you guys, so this is what the hairline looks like, and you guys can see the hairline. The lace looks really good. I've not applied any gel, any hairspray, any hair mousse, nothing.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la.
Okay, so this is the end result of what the wig looks like. I am so in love with this wig. I really love the hair quality. It feels really soft, and this wig was so easy for me to install. Definitely very beginner friendly. The lace on this wig, you guys already know when it comes to Hairvivi, one thing they always get right, their lace is always on point, hairline is always on point, hair quality, okay, always on point as well. So the wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well. Like I said, the wig also comes with a fake scalp. so I really do not need to go in with my concealer to try and make my parting stand out or brighter. I think this is perfect, and I really like the fake scalp concept because this literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below. The length of the wig, this is an 18-inch wig, and this is their Hattie, right? Hattie wig. So this is their Hattie wig, and I have an 18-inch wig. And in case you're wondering, so I have the fake scalp in Americano, and I have a medium cap as well. You guys, this fits me perfectly, and it's also 100% glueless. I literally only applied my hairspray to the flaps on the sides, you know, just to stop the wind from blowing, and then, you know, the sides are going up as well. I'm just so in love with this wig, and I really love the blonde as well. I think it suits my skin tone perfectly. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys some outfits and ways you can style this wig for the summer, because I feel like this is definitely a great wig for summer. And I really do like the density as well, you know, it's not too full and it's not too thin. It's literally just the perfect density, especially for this hot weather that we have right now. So yeah.
Auntie Chloe B, I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. Just anybody.
Guys, okay, so that brings me to the end of today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this wig. Let me know what you think of the outfits that I put together, you know, just to go with this wig. Literally just something very simple, very easy, day to day, you know. And I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.